30.
Uncle.
30, this is 3 weeks that you have been in my house. 3 good weeks. You have been eating just food. 30, tell me exactly what you want to learn. Let me know where to take you to.
Uncle, you know I'm still thinking now. I'm still thinking.
You're still thinking?
Yes, now I'm thinking to become an electrician. But look at Nnamdi. Last week, electric nanny killed him. But I'm still thinking of becoming a radio mechanic. But there's no money. I can't buy house for myself. I'm thinking of motor mechanic. I think I'll go for motor mechanic.
So why do you want to go into motor mechanic?
So that I will specialize in dropping engine, oiling engine, and servicing the engine.
It is that servicing that will kill you.
Abubakar.
Hey! So of all the engines you'll be servicing in this community, you are not tired. Oga Lord, who is this he-goat to you?
What do you mean he-goat?
I repeat myself again. Who is this he-goat to you?
Did you eat their crops?
Are they crazy? Do I eat grass?
Did you eat their yam?
You know I don't like yam now.
Did you eat their grass?
Uncle, now you talk this one.
So why is he calling you he-goat?
Enough of this madness. This he-goat has been perusing my sister.
What is peruse? What do you mean peruse?
He has been sasakoing my sister.
Sasakoing your sister? Listen to me. If you cannot make your talk clean, that gate is open. Leave this compound. Why are you throwing parables here?
You don't understand. But at least you should understand what is gigigigim.
What is gigigigim? Please, like I said before, if you cannot tell me why you're here, I think you should leave.
Oh God of geography. Oga Lord, he impregnated my sister.
30. Did you hear him?
Uncle, I heard him.
He said he did what?
Are you supposed to be asking me that question?
Did you impregnate any girl? Did you impregnate any girl?
Uncle, she's the one that came to me first.
How?
She disturbed me all the time. Uncle, what do you expect me to do?
Did you hear what he just said? That your sister was the person that came to him and was disturbing him. Now she's pregnant and you're here shouting.
Oh, when she was coming to you, why did you chase her away?
Tell me at your age, if anybody puts honey in your mouth, that you remove it.
That is honey.
Your sister is honey to him. So he leak. If your sister cannot keep her legs one place or close it tight.
So this is how you want to settle the whole issue?
This is a normal thing, eh? Hi. By the way, here's the girl you're talking about.
Oh, thank you. As I was bringing her here, she ran away.
Look at your life. So at your age, a girl that was impregnated by somebody, you could not present her. You're here telling me nonsense. You know what? Leave my compound. You're not making sense.
Don't worry. I know you know where my sister went to. I give you 4 days to bring back my sister. Else, the both of you will hear from me.
You're a hypocrite. Leave here!
You will hear from her.
Let's go! Look at human being. Your sister cannot stay one place. You're here making noise.
What nonsense! What nonsense! Hey, where are you running to? If you move an inch, if you move, Oga Landlord, you better hold me before I commit murder.
Don't commit. What is it?
Who is this cow?
Ha. The cow is my nephew.
Oh, he's your nephew.
So what has he done?
He is your nephew. It is because of the respect that I have for you. That's the reason why I'm coming down. You better want this your nephew to stay clear from my woman.
What did he do to your woman?
Your nephew has been eyeing my woman.
Eyeing your woman?
Yes.
Like looking at her?
Yes.
Did you eye his woman?
Uncle, she eyed me first now. She eye.
Ah, my woman.
Our woman. Can you hear yourself? That your woman left her position and was eyeing him. You are here making noise.
Oga Landlord, I'm not going to take this nonsense from anybody.
You have to take it.
See, this is a small girl I've been nurturing from small. Now, she's grown up now. Some other persons want to come and reap from where they did not sow.
Tell your woman to learn how to control her eyes. If she cannot control her eyes, please buy eyeglass for her. I don't need all this complaint.
This is how you want to handle the issues.
This is a normal thing.
This is how you want to handle the issues.
This is eye to eye.
She eye.
It's eye to eye.
It's not normal eye.
Hey, you listen. Read my lips. If I don't kill you, change my name.
Start preparing for killing. Listen to me. If anybody eye you, eye the person back. If possible, your shego arinze. I rinse.
Like an eye.
Nonsense.
Wait. If you want to blow me, don't blow me on my head, blow me on my hand so that I will not feel the pain that much.
Jay! Hey! The both of you, stop this! Hey, why are you fighting? Come back here, Stop it! I was looking for you to deliver something for me. You're here fighting.
Oh, he's accusing me now.
What did he do?
Imagine this man dog. He was chasing my girlfriend, my pregnant girlfriend.
Abu Bakar, did you see him with your 2 eyes?
I saw him with my eyes.
Where exactly did you see him?
I saw him in my dream.
Huh?
I don't want you to believe me. That's why I'm fighting him.
Really will kill you. Come inside. Come inside. Look at the kind of life you're living. It's like I'll send you back. Everybody is bringing a report about you. What kind of thing is this?
Uncle, it's not my fault now.
It's your fault.
Hey!
Eh? Okay, look at this boy now. He's telling me that you took his girlfriend in his dream. In his dream! What's the meaning of this thing?
Uncle, she's pregnant now.
Abu Bakar. Hello. Come. Come here! Come! What's the meaning of this thing you displayed now?
I'm having malaria.
Malaria kill you. Malaria kill you!
Come and say the truth.
Who is responsible?
Uncle, don't worry. I know he's responsible.
You know. And you allow me shout.
Ha.
Who is that?
Uncle, follow me.
Oh yeah? Follow us. Mawa Ganya. Come and show me the idiot. You will tell me the reason why you will misbehave. Femi. Zacchaeus. Are they the people you're bringing me to? Who is responsible among the two of them? Wait!
It's Femi.
Femi, why? Femi, why did you impregnate my own sister that came to visit me?
Oga landlord, hey, it has happened. Do you know this popular song? No go dey do pass yourself. Wow. When I came to report to you that this he-goat of a nephew of yours was perusing my sister, you said it's a normal thing. So I did this in revenge of my small sister.
When I came to you to report to you that this your useless nephew,
Oh my God,
was I my woman, what did you tell me? What did you say? Instead, you chased me out of your compound. Now, justice want to save itself now. You want to complain?
So, this is a sign of revenge, Akoya?
you know the best way to defend yourself is to attack.
So you have attacked me?
Yes, 442 formation.
So you're telling me that my boy here impregnated your sister? And who told you that this boy can impregnate a woman?
Uncle, tell them.
Can you impregnate any woman?
Are they crazy?
Zacchaeus, bring the evidence.
Oga landlord, just wait. Marvelous.
Yes, uncle.
Marvel,
Yes, uncle.
please come.
What's the meaning of this thing I'm seeing here?
You see? That is the evidence of his sasakoism.
He goat. Sir? Are you responsible for what I'm seeing here?
Something like that.
Something like how?
It's a mistake.
A mistake. You people have anything like weapon?
Thank you very much for watching that very funny comedy. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mr. Anointing Comedy, and turn on notification post so you'll be getting all my videos back to back. You see that bell for there, just touch and taga, you'll be getting all my videos back to back. All right, God bless you. I love you all.